So I'm here with Paul, and we're going through a basic intro to faceting lesson, and he's doing a great job. Paul brought some electric blue Topaz, and we're learning on that. So we ran through dopping, orientation of Topaz, because you need to cut it 15 degrees off of the cleavage plane. We learned how to re-dop after the stone popped off the dop, so that was valuable. And now we're finished roughing it in, and we're on the 1200 grit and halfway home on cutting the pavilion. Because those are the facets that are going to form the point.
So as you go to
96 should be perfect. That's the one that I did. And then you go to 16. Do you want to go back through again like you did on the girdle and just like touch them up again, make sure everything is, it's only 6 facets or whatever, 8, 6, yeah. So Paul is now cutting the crown. We're in the pre-polish stage where we're getting a nice 3K finish and dialing in the facets. And then the next step will be to final polish on 60K diamond grit. Swarf, they call it. Yeah.
Good morning.
How are you?
I can put a camera in your finger.
Since it's Sapphire, you can just straight up glue it. Cut it flat, give yourself a nice flat surface to dop to. It was already flat, there's a tab, so